And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray, and with me here on the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And what we have on the menu is live action from the Primera División. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
The initial 11 today for the hosts.
Well, a 4-4-2 system relies on good combinations all over the pitch. The front two, the central midfield pairing, the fullback and winger, and of course the centre-backs. If you can get these combinations right, you'll have a good team.
This is how the visitors will set up today.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
And so the match is underway. Good work to win the ball back high up the pitch. Delightful pass. And the referee has given them a corner. Let's see about the delivery. Well, nothing comes of it. And he did well to cut it out. Well, getting the ball forward. Can he put it in? Real chance. There it is. A delightful start to this match. Just what they were hoping for.
Well, here it is again. He hits this so sweetly, doesn't he? That's a brilliant goal from a top-class player.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Just possessed there. Tremendous piece of tackling. Now let's see what they can do here. Good looking ball. This could square the game. Can he find the net? Oh, there it is! A back and forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see, but you'd expect him to score from that range, but they all count.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. But he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. And dispossessed. And he read it well defensively. Could be a chance to break here. All hands on deck. Magnificent challenge to win it back. Plenty of options. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Veering in field here. They do pass the ball with authority. Well, with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action potentially. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
Free kick, but no goal at the end of it.
Yeah, it's a great strike, but he just couldn't squeeze it inside the post. So unlucky.
Disappointing control, and they've lost the ball. And snuffing out the danger. And good pressure high up the pitch. And beating the defender. Can he make it count? And a goal to re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really good bit of play. Watch how he turns his marker and then has the composure to finish. That's a top-class goal.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Moving the ball forward with purpose. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. That's the kind of shielding play you expect from him. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Showing good defensive judgment. Will it happen for them? There's a slide rule pass. And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head. Smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
Well, another equaliser. What a topsy-turvy game this has been. This might have potential. Played into the box. He read it well, but still work to do. Danger averted for now. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, that's exactly what his team needed, because they weren't at their best in the first half. And once again, it shows what a key player he is. Can they build on that in the second 45?
And so the second half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. And smart defending. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. And he keeps going. Still not clear. Well, nothing comes of it. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. They're trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball. Keeping it moving dynamically. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. Can they hit on the break? And a throw-in it's going to be. Well, pass after pass, maybe they can chisel an opportunity. This looks interesting. The cross is on. A really top-notch piece of defending. And the counter looks on here, options available. Well, so many possibilities, but it didn't happen for them. My goodness, the importance of getting there was not lost on the keeper. Well, they no longer have the ball. It's opening up for them. And a goalkeeper in great form.
And he's just pulled off an absolutely stunning save there. That is brilliant. Well, just listen to these fans. They're urging their team to score here and take the lead.
They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Can he deliver it with accuracy? And clearing it away. Giving it a try. Really good diving stop to make sure the threat came to nothing. Who can he pick out? And a headed goal it is! Right on cue.
Well, here you can see it again. It's a superb cross, just asking for someone to go and meet it. And it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? They do pass the ball with authority. And players waiting in the centre. Surely! And a goal kick it'll be. Too much height on the shot. And they will make the change now. Well, it's almost over, but not quite. The fans still with a bit of nail-biting to do, Stuart.
Well, what a finale we have here. Both sides have looked good going forward, but poor defensively. But I do think they have been the better side for much of this game. They just need to defend their box with determination in these last few minutes.
Well, still time for them to level it. This could square the game. And it has! Such late excitement. And no wonder they're jumping for joy as we speak.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Well, another equaliser. What a topsy-turvy game this has been. Five minutes left. Tension building, still level. Well, high marks for that pass. An attack full of promise. Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been foiled. How pivotal could that be at this stage of the game?
Well, it was a good save, but that was the chance to win the game there. That could be their last opportunity.
This looks interesting. This looks promising. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. And there's the whistle. They cannot be separated after 90 minutes. Can he put it in? Real chance. There it is. A delightful start to this match. Just what they were hoping for. And this will test the mentality of any footballer. And it's gone in. And that, alas, went horribly wrong. And there it is, perfectly executed. As straight as an arrow. Can he convert? In it goes. And he's beaten the keeper. Well, the Panenka has duly fooled the goalkeeper. You want a pressure cooker, this is it. He must score. Opportunity squandered, and that ends it.
Well, he looked nervous, and you can understand why. But in the end, it's a really poor penalty.